up, friends? Welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Forky from Toy Story. So first, let's get started with the fork-shaped head. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we're going to line this up at the same height, leaving quite a big gap, replicating that on the right. So we're going to curve this line down, ending that at roughly the same height. Now let's close this off on the bottom by drawing in a curved line. So we're going to connect this from our line on the left, bringing this over and up on the right, blending that together. Let's draw on the fork now. So we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in and then back up. And then from that point again, we're going to curve that on the top, bringing that in, just joining that at a point in the center. Now let's move down and draw on the eyes. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a bigger circle for our left eye. And then let's move down on a diagonal, drawing in a smaller circle for the right eye. Now from the corner on the right-hand side, let's draw in another circle. And then we'll move over on the left-hand side, drawing in another circle. On the top right-hand corner of our left eye, let's draw in a circle again. And then we'll do that one last time on the right-hand side. Moving up for the eyebrow on a diagonal, we're going to draw in a curved line. On the side now, let's curve this line around and then in towards the center. And then we'll do the same on the right. Now let's draw in the mouth. So coming down, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Underneath, drawing in a nice big arch line. Now let's move over on the top, curving this line across towards our right eye. We're going to curve this line around on the left, bringing that in on the bottom. And then we're going to do the same on the right. Let's move down now and draw in Forky's body. So over on a diagonal here, we're going to draw in diagonal line coming around, curving this, bringing this back up, closing that off. On the right, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then we're going to do the same as we move across on a diagonal on the bottom left. Let's move up now. We're going to draw in a straight line on both sides, bringing that up. We're going to curve this line out slightly on the left. We'll do the same on the right, extending that longer. From the left-hand side now, we're going to arch this line up, down, and then a small curved line on the right. Now in the center on the top, let's draw in a circle. Let's do the same as we move down towards the bottom. And then we're just going to draw in a half circle underneath here. We're going to follow this line on either side by bringing this line up, leaving a gap. Now let's draw on the arms. So on both sides, we're going to bring this line out. And then from here, we're just going to bring this diagonal line up. Now on the bottom, arching this line over and across. And we'll do the same on the left. Now for the thumb, curving this line around and then in. In the center, bringing this line up and then down. And then one last time on the bottom. Now let's close off the feet. So coming across on the right, we're going to curve this line up and then down. We're going to leave a small gap replicating that on the left. Let's close this off on the bottom now with a slight curved line. On both sides, we're going to arch this line down. And then in the middle, we're just going to curve this line across. And that is it. That's how you draw Forky. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.